If you're researching a Coursera discount offer for 2026, you probably want to know what deals are available and whether Coursera Plus is worth the price. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know. You'll find a link in the description below where you can check the latest Coursera Plus discount and see whether the current offer is still available. Right now, eligible new subscribers can get Coursera Plus Annual for just $239 instead of the regular $399. That's a 40% discount, bringing the cost to less than $20 per month when billed annually. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from leading companies and universities including Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and many others. Instead of purchasing courses one at a time, a single subscription allows you to learn across multiple subjects and earn unlimited certificates throughout the year. Whether you're interested in artificial intelligence, business, programming, data science, cybersecurity, marketing, or project management, Coursera Plus provides thousands of programs designed to help you develop career-focused skills. Many learners choose the annual plan because it offers better long-term value, especially for people who plan to complete several courses during the year. Another advantage is that the certificates you earn can be added to your resume and LinkedIn profile, helping you demonstrate your knowledge and professional growth to employers. So if you've been looking for a complete explanation of the current Coursera discount offer in 2026, the ongoing promotion could make this one of the best times to subscribe. And if you'd like to check the latest deal for yourself, you'll find the discount link in the description below.